Hello and welcome everyone to Everything Essential. I'm Afrina Hawk and in today's video I'll review the HipHop Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips which I have brought from Nykaa. I'll give the link in the description box below. So let's get started. And we will unbox the pack. It consists of 3 nose strips and I have bought it for rupees 90. So it means that each nose strip cost around 30 rupees. So we will apply some lukewarm water on the nose before applying the nose strip, and so we'll take a cotton pad and dip it in the water to absorb it, and we'll squeeze out the excess water. And so now Neelam will show us the demonstration of how to apply this nose strip, and she will apply the water in and around her nose using a cotton pad. And now she is all ready and set to apply the nose strip on and around her nose. So this is how the nose strip looks. And now she'll apply it on her nose. She'll first start by peeling it off. And she'll start applying it by placing it on the bridge of her nose. And then simply dabbing it on and around her nose. And now she'll adjust the nose strip. And after she is done doing it, she'll let the nose strip be for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, she will remove the nose strip. It may be a little painful to remove because it's a charcoal nose strip, but it's really helpful and effective. Now she has just washed her face with clear water, and as you can see it really looks clearer and smoother, though it may not be clearly visible on camera, but in reality yes, her skin got really smoother and clearer. And yes, for those who have blackheads, it is highly recommendable that they can go for this product. And that's it for the video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share.